Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best dash cam to protect your car, record every drive, and provide solid evidence in case of an accident, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams of 2026. Whether you need crystal clear 4K recording, excellent night vision, interior monitoring for rideshare driving, or full 360-degree coverage, there's a perfect option on this list for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. REDTIGER F7NA 4K Dual Dashcam. The REDTIGER F7NA 4K Dual Dashcam is one of the best all-around dashcams available in 2026. It's designed for drivers who want premium video quality, dependable performance, and easy-to-use features without spending a fortune. The front camera records in stunning 4K Ultra HD, while the rear camera captures crisp 1080p Full HD footage. Equipped with the advanced Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor, this dashcam delivers outstanding image quality during both the day and at night. HDR and WDR technologies help balance lighting conditions, making license plates and road signs easier to recognize even in difficult environments. Another standout feature is its built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing you to transfer videos to your smartphone much faster than standard Wi-Fi connections. Built-in GPS records your driving route and speed, while voice control lets you operate the camera hands-free for safer driving. Pros: sharp 4K front video quality, excellent STARVIS 2 night vision, fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi transfers, built-in GPS tracking, voice control support, reliable parking mode. Cons: SD cards sold separately, dual-channel recording only. Overall, if you're looking for the best combination of performance, video quality, and value, the REDTIGER F7NA easily earns the number 1 position. Number 2. Vantrue N2X Front and Inside Dashcam. The Vantrue N2X is an excellent choice for rideshare drivers, taxis, and anyone who wants to record both the road and the inside of their vehicle. This dashcam records the front in smooth 2.7K resolution at up to 60 frames per second, while the interior camera captures passengers using infrared night vision for clear recordings even in complete darkness. Powered by Sony STARVIS 2 technology, the N2X produces bright, detailed footage with improved low-light performance. It also features built-in GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, emergency G-sensor recording, and 24-hour parking monitoring. Pros: excellent cabin recording, smooth 60 FPS front video, strong infrared night vision, voice control, GPS included, great for Uber and Lyft drivers. Cons: rear camera not included. Front resolution isn't full 4K. Overall, the Vantrue N2X is one of the best dashcams for drivers who need reliable interior monitoring. Number 3. IIWEY N9 5-channel 360-degree dashcam. The IIWEY N9 is one of the most advanced dash camera systems on the market. Instead of recording only the front and rear, this system captures 5 different camera angles: front, rear, inside, left, and right, providing nearly complete 360-degree protection around your vehicle. The N9 also includes Wi-Fi 6 for fast file transfers, built-in GPS, 12 infrared LEDs for clear nighttime interior recording, G-sensor protection, and a free 128GB memory card right out of the box. Pros: 5-camera recording system, nearly complete 360-degree coverage, excellent night vision, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, free 128GB memory card, great parking surveillance. Cons: installation takes more time, large video files require more storage. Overall, if maximum coverage is your priority, the IIWEY N9 is an excellent investment. Number 4. REDTIGER F7NA 4K Dual Dashcam. The REDTIGER F7NA offers the same premium 4K front recording, Full HD rear camera, STARVIS 2 sensor, GPS, voice control, and fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Its compact design makes installation simple, while the mobile app provides quick access to recorded videos whenever you need them. The parking mode and emergency recording features also add extra peace of mind. Pros: outstanding image quality, easy smartphone connectivity, excellent night performance, GPS tracking, voice control. Cons: requires separate SD card, same product as our #1 pick. While it's still an outstanding dashcam, remember that this is the same model listed at #1. For a true top 5 ranking, it's best to replace this position with a different dashcam model. Number 5. N5 Pro 4K 4-channel dashcam. The N5 Pro 4-channel dashcam is designed for drivers who want complete monitoring around their vehicle. It records in 4K from the front, while the rear and interior cameras capture full HD footage. Multiple camera angles provide excellent coverage for parking protection, family vehicles, and rideshare services. The dashcam also includes built-in GPS, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, infrared night vision, G-sensor protection, and a free 128GB memory card right out of the box. Pros: 4-camera recording, great parking surveillance, fast Wi-Fi 6, GPS included, excellent night vision, 128GB memory card included. Cons: more cables during installation, large storage requirements. Overall, the N5 Pro is a fantastic choice for drivers who want broader coverage than traditional dual-camera systems. So, those are our picks for the top 5 best dash cams of 2026. If you want the best overall dash cam, the REDTIGER F7NA is our top recommendation thanks to its excellent 4K recording, STARVIS 2 night vision, GPS, and user-friendly features. For rideshare drivers, the Vantrue N2X is a fantastic option with its high-quality interior camera. And if complete vehicle coverage is your priority, the IIWEY N9 and N5 Pro offer impressive multi-camera recording systems. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.